Hello everyone! Welcome to the Syzerra Learning YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, what to do if your Etsy shop gets suspended. Now this can be a distressing situation, but fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the steps to get your shop back up and running. First things first, don't panic. While it's definitely a setback, there are steps you can take to address the issue. Let's break it down. The first step is to understand why your shop was suspended. Etsy typically sends an email explaining the reason behind the suspension. It could be due to policy violations, issues with your listings, or other concerns. Take the time to carefully read through the email and understand what went wrong. Review Etsy policies. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's seller policies and community guidelines. This will help you understand where you might have gone wrong and how to avoid similar issues in the future. Sometimes, violations can be unintentional due to misunderstandings, so educating yourself is key. Appeal the suspension. If you believe your shop was suspended unfairly, or if you've rectified the issues highlighted by Etsy, you can submit an appeal. To resolve this issue, start by logging in to your Etsy account. You will see a notification indicating that your account has been suspended. Click on Help, then select Contact Us. You will be redirected to a page with options for buying on Etsy and selling on Etsy. Choose Selling on Etsy. You will be presented with several questions. Select Appeal a suspended account. Next, click on File an appeal. You will be prompted to send an email, as this is the only way to recover your Etsy account, so select this option. A form will appear which you need to fill out correctly. First, write down the subject, then provide a brief description. You don't need to provide excessive detail, simply state the problem. Finally, enter your email address. You can also add a screenshot of your issue if you wish. Once you have completed everything, click Submit. Your appeal will be successfully submitted to Etsy. The next step is be patient and persistent. It's important to remember that the process of appealing a suspension can take time. Be patient while Etsy reviews your appeal. In the meantime, continue to focus on other aspects of your business that you can control, such as improving your products or marketing strategies. Remember, setbacks are a part of any business journey. What's important is how you respond to them. Stay positive, proactive, and persistent, and you'll be back on track before you know it.